Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna fall off my chair. With getting this crate, but I will say with getting this Today I'm opening another Thread Crate box. If you haven't seen any of my Thread Crate box videos before, basically this is just a sewing subscription box that is a monthly subscription. You get one every month and it costs, I think it's about $59.50 USD. If it's not, it's very close to that. So this is about the size of the box. It's a pretty big box. I do think that it is a little bit on the pricey side, but I'm still continuing to get them, so clearly I like it. But actually, with that being said, this is the last one I'm doing for now. I am putting a hold on my subscription because I have too many other projects that I want to be working on. So also, I believe that this is their 6-month anniversary box. So I'm excited to check it out, and let's go ahead and dive in. Oh no, there's more tape. Alright. So it has the same thing that it had last month. They want me to take a picture, sew it up, and share it on their socials, but I'm making this video, so I'm not doing that. Okay, so let's see. Our pattern for this month is the Catherine by Sonia Estep Sonia Estep Designs. Oh my goodness, that is a mouthful. I'm sorry, Sonia. Let's see, that's a really pretty dress. I like that style. So it can be fitted or loose with an A-line skirt. It's got 2 different neckline options, 2 sleeve options, 2 waist options. There are a lot of options with this dress. Okay, now let us see. Another fabric swatch card. Those are handy. They're kind of fun to get. So we've got, our fabric is model. I don't really know how to say it. I've sewn with it before, but I've never really heard anyone say it before. So we've got a needle, electric seam ripper. Electric? Is that a thing? That's a thing? That's weird. Tweezers, which is always happy to have more tweezers. Stay tape, thread, and Thread Crate t-shirt. Ooh, okay, cool. So let's dive in. And the first thing I see is the electric seam ripper. What? That looks like a buzzer, like a head shaver? Like clippers, like hair clippers. That's what this looks like. Designed for the serious quilter, compact and easy storage and handling. Okay, this is weird enough I have to check it out. Look at that, it includes a cleaning brush. I'm serious, this looks like hair clippers. And then my thing's all like loose in the box. I feel like there's something else that's supposed to be there. Unless that was just for like that. Maybe? I don't know. All right, this is so weird. Excuse my neighbor and his noisy motorcycle. Okay. So it's little, like I hold it in my hand and it is so little. Let's see. Oh, dang it. There's no batteries included. Darn, I was really hoping. Maybe I'll go find some really quick and show you guys in a minute. And then I can't get this back on, of course. There we go. That, seriously though, it looks like a hair buzzer or hair clippers. And that thing even pops, oh, that pops forward. And then back. Closer shave, shorter shave. That's funny. Okay, enough with that. I gotta move on. All right, ooh, the Thread Crate t-shirt. Okay, let's open her on up. Oh, that is huge. Okay, I got a large because I'm a little bit large chested, and so most of my shirts have to be a large in order for them to fit me. But this looks like it could be a nightgown. Like, this gonna be my sleep shirt. But it's cool. I mean, free advertising for them if I wear it, right? Next item. Okay, we've got stay tape. Let's see if this is a sewing one. Can be cut without fraying, stitch, tape, 2 seam lines. Okay, so you can sew through it. Cool. All right, and we again have a printed pattern this time and access to the digital pattern. So I love, love, love that they started doing this because it is so much quicker to get to sewing the pattern. And I don't have to print it, I don't have to tape it, so this is pretty glorious. Okay, and my fabric. Okay, so in your subscription, you can choose what kind of fabric type that you want to get. So like, it's like, I guess I think the options are something like earth tones, jewel tones, pastels, bright colors, or something like that. I chose earth tones because I generally like those best. But I'm pretty sure if I make anything out of this, I'm gonna look naked because this is my skin tone. So I probably won't be making clothing with this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it because I don't think I can make a dress out of this. I will look naked. So I will find another use for this and probably make this dress with a different fabric because I just can't. That fabric is killing me. Let's see. Okay, now we're down to our little bag. So we've got our thread to match my skin tone fabric. So yay for that, Gutermann thread, yay. And then, okay, cute little mesh bag. Oh, those tweezers are cute. Oh, check those out. Those are so fun. I think those are really cute. So this would be kind of nice for like after you've seam ripped something and you're trying to pull all those tiny little threads out that don't want to come. You can just use this instead of your fingers. So that's pretty cool and they're super cute. And then we have some sewing pins, some straight pins. So they usually either send just like a handful of Wonder Clips or some straight pins. So this month they did straight pins. Those are kind of cute with the little circles on top that look like buttons. But I will say, with getting this crate, none of my straight pins will match, and I guess that's fine. All right, and then the last thing in here is our needle. So, yeah, just the needle by itself. And it's ballpoint, because it has to be when you're sewing knits so that you don't shred your fabric. So out of this box, I am most interested in this electronic seam ripper. I still have to go find a battery and show you guys how it works. Yeah, I'll do that in just a second. Okay, I put a battery in. This thing is literally like hair clippers, just like in mini version. Now my hands are a little tingly. This looks really cool and really interesting, so I am curious how that is supposed to work. The box didn't actually come with instructions, so I'm not really sure how to work it. I'm probably gonna have to look it up. And I do think that my skin tone fabric is a bit hilarious and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. It's always fun to open one of these boxes because it's like getting a present, even though I paid for it myself. But it is like a surprise, so there's a lot of fun in it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will catch you in the next one.